Hello dear friends. Today we decorate a cake for a girl for her 18th birthday. Watch this video to the end, and you will understand why the girl was delighted with this cake. The cake itself is biscuit, in the interlayer custard buttercream. Its diameter is 24 centimeters. We will decorate with protein custard. Add pink dye to part of the cream. First, let's hold all the crumbs together. Some of you are asking what it means to hold the crumbs together. We specially filmed this process. Before finishing coat, cover with cream a little, so that crumbs do not fall on the finishing layer. Add black dye to part of the cream. With a small open nozzle we make a base of cream. We will plant the petals with the tulip nozzle. We will plant the core with a grass nozzle. Add the dye, Gold Classic, to a part of the cream. We make flowers both large and small. Add pink electro dye to a part of the cream. We will plant some small flowers in free places. I removed the remnants of pink cream from the bag, and added white cream to it. This is the color. Since this cake is for a young girl, I want to decorate the side in the style of a pink cheetah. This is done easily, but it has a very effective look. I apply a little cream with a nozzle, and smear with a spoon, making stains. With a small tube nozzle we outline the contour of the spots with a broken line. Use the same nozzle to place the beads at the bottom. Add green dye to part of the cream. The leaves will be planted with a large Fox nozzle number 115. After I finished decorating the cake, I realized that I need to add 2 more flowers. Friends, if you liked this video, like, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.